Wow, look at that view. So pretty. Tapos yan guys, oh yan na yung ocean. Tapos meron diyang beach. Yan, pwede ka dyan maligo. Wow. Very nice. Tapos pag dito ka mag-stay, meron diyang pool. Hindi makikita mo yung ocean dito. Ang ganda. Wow. Diyan tayo kakain guys sa baba. Oh. One kitchen. Ang ganda ng view. Look at that view. You can see all of it. Tapos may garden din sila. Oh.